Confidence hack number 18, your personal vocal print, Adele, in a toucan. The confidence today comes through understanding that you have your own specific, unique vocal print. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers how to hack their confidence. Now, if you want an email every morning in your inbox, go to davidnurse.com, sign up for free for daily confidence boosts. You can choose daily or you can choose weekly. It's at davidnurse.com. Start your day off on the right foot. No, not fingerprint, vocal print. Just like a snowflake, every human being has their own personal vocal print. How wild is that to think about? No one on the entire planet sounds exactly the same way you do. Kind of wish I could swap my vocal print with Adele, but hey, there's neither here nor there. Your vocal track leaves a unique signature in the tone of your voice across everything that you say. So why do we have a voice print? According to Science News, researchers used MRI and CT scans to look for vocal membranes in 43 different primate species. The scientists were surprised by what they saw. All primates except humans had that tissue, the vocal membrane. It's very interesting. It's the loss of one part of the vocal cords, the vocal membrane, that allows you and I to make much more eloquent sounds than the chimpanzee. Ironically, losing complexity in the vocal cord to gain complexity in the vocal sounds. So we're not just grunting like gorillas. We can actually enunciate very beautiful words and sing elegantly like I can't. So are there any other animals that have this incredible uniqueness like the human being? Other species of animals have signature calls that allow them in their group to know who they are, but it's not unique across the entire species. But there is one, the parrot. Never knew you were so similar to the Fruit Loops box, did you? I guess that's a toucan, so I digress. It's not a parrot. Gain a confidence boost today, knowing that not only are you the only person walking the planet with your unique fingerprint, you are also the only one who sounds the way you do. You are authentically and originally you.